Hi everyone! In this video, we'll cover some house-related English words. Ready to learn? Let's go! Hairdryer. Hairdryer. Now, repeat after me. Hairdryer.
Hairdryer.
Comb. Comb. Let's say that word together. Comb.
Comb.
Laundry. Laundry. Your turn. Try saying it out loud.
Laundry.
Laundry.
Laundry basket.
Laundry basket. Give it a try. Repeat the word. Laundry basket.
Laundry basket.
Dustbin. Dustbin. Can you say it with me? Dustbin.
Dustbin.
Trash bag. Trash bag. Let's say that word together. Trash bag.
Trash bag.
Cleaning solution. Cleaning solution. Now, repeat after me. Cleaning solution.
Cleaning solution.
Cloth.
Cloth.
Can you say it with me? Cloth.
Cloth.
Sponge. Sponge. Now, repeat after me. Sponge.
Sponge.
You're doing amazing. Now, let's go over the words again. What is this item called?
Hairdryer. Hairdryer.
What is this?
Comb. Comb.
Do you know what this is?
Laundry. Laundry.
What's the name of this?
Laundry basket. Laundry basket.
Can you tell me what this is?
Dustbin. Dustbin.
Do you remember what this is?
Trash bag. Trash bag.
What is this?
Cleaning solution. Cleaning solution.
Do you remember what this is?
Cloth. Cloth.
What is this item called?
Sponge. Sponge.
Thanks for learning with me. Make sure to hit like and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.